Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. We always make a fresh drink, fresh juice and all these things. Cucumber with some lemon and fresh mint. Blend up, strain it off and drink it. And also detox your body. Cleanse out your immune system. Very simple recipe, very easy to make. I want you guys to see the way I make this one. And I know you guys can do the same thing at home. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. And please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus me. Get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo and I'm always doing the best recipe in this. Nice and lovely. So right here I have half a cucumber. 95% of the cucumber is just water. Lemon. Some fresh mint. I got some ginger powder. I don't have any fresh ginger. Rough about half a glass of water. Give it a shake and blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice and lovely. All I gotta do is strain it off. Nice. The beauty is you can also sweeten this with some honey. I did not, you know, I just leave it as it is. Put a piece of a lemon inside of it. and you know, piece of fresh mint to bring up the flavor more. Easy recipe to make. Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. I got a lot more recipe like these will be coming to you guys. Very nice and lovely. I will see you next time. Bye bye.